Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Maps offline in 2020. Really easy and simple to do. So basically all this does is allows you to download a certain portion of the map, just so if you don't have any data or if you're in another country, you'll still be able to access that part of the map because it's downloaded on your phone. So it's really easy to do. So all I have to do is just head over to Google Maps and open that up. And then it'll just be opened up to this page here where it's showing you some of the map. All you have to do is just go to the top right where your little Google account is, the little icon, click on that, and then click on Offline Maps. And then here you could just click on Select Your Own Map. So you want to do that. And then you just want to choose the size and what area that you're looking to download. So it just lets you know that you can download up to 570 megabytes, and I currently have personally 5.2 gigs available. So all you have to do is just figure out where you want. You could zoom out and zoom in as well to make it more detailed if you'd like. But I'll just take, let's just say this one right here for an example. All you have to do is just click on download, and then it will just take some time to download on your phone. You could also delete a couple and have multiple downloaded, because like I said, you do have 5.2 gigs available. So you can download multiple maps if you'd like to as well. But yeah, once this is downloaded, you'll have that little squared area downloaded. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.